Beauty is Andrea. So this is my third day here and I'm going to get ready to go for a doctor's appointment. So this is going to be the follow-up from my previous video that I did with TouchDown. It was the first TouchDown edge tamer. So in that video I talked about my baby hairs. I talked about how I have long baby hairs, and every time I lose them because of pregnancy I get bald. I get no edges once pregnancy comes. It grows back and to the same length. Same exact thing. I have it on both sides and I barely have baby hairs right here. This is it. This is it. I have it on both sides, very long. Girls out there experience the same thing, especially depending how your forehead is shaped and everything like that. Just bald-headed up here when it comes to baby hair, right? And I mentioned how I don't have forehead for baby hairs just because it doesn't connect all the way, just because of this little piece right here. So on the first video I went to the comments to see what advice you guys were giving me, like how to do my baby hair. I usually never do it. I wake up, whatever, like if it's like this, it will go like this. I brush the rest back, or I brush the whole thing back and I go on. How it's always been. I never thought about it, but at that time everyone was doing their baby hairs. I wanted to experience something and see how I would do if I try to do my baby hairs. So this is the second try. So in the second try right now, another 3 TouchDown edge tamers to try. I have the second TouchDown. The packaging, it says edge tamer, non-flaking, tame frizz, silkier and nourishing hair, rich moisture and antibacterial. It has a fresh flower scent. Argan oil, tea tree oil, camellia oil and green tea seed oil. This time they have better smells because they have different, I don't want to say flavor, different scents. I have the coconut one, the shea butter one, and the black castor oil one. I knew the coconut one is gonna smell the best, and it does. Smells so good. Like, it smells amazing. The coconut one smells the best. The castor oil one, black castor oil, doesn't smell bad, which I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting to smell as good as it does. It smells like something in there more than got fresh. Oh, it has a fresh flower scent. All right, yes, that's exactly what it does. I was expecting something like more like castor oil, like not that good. And this, it still says fresh flower scent, all of them. But as far as texture, they're all very soft, they're all very smooth. The only difference is one is infused with coconut oil, the other one is infused with black castor oil, and the third one is infused with shea butter. So to refresh my third day hair, let's do this. I just searched for the curls that are not as defined, which usually is right in the back of my head right here, as defined, and right in the front, back and front. Regardless of what hair product I've used the previous days or whatever, I usually get a custard to fix those little, you know, curls that are misbehaving, and I usually just turn the curls to the left, no matter which side it is. I scrunch. See that curl that wasn't listening? Yep, it's back. No water. And I look for more. Right, there's nothing else bothering me so far. So all the little frizzy curls are fixed, and I didn't have many anyways. And TouchDown, I'm gonna try the coconut one because it does smell the best. I don't see any differences in the TouchDowns. They all say it lasts for 48 hours, and none of them say which one is the strongest as far as the strongest hold goes. Check the comments from the previous TouchDown video and see what you guys told me to do. So Ania B said try cutting them shorter maybe. I will never cut my baby hairs, okay? I know I've seen people cut their hair so they can make them into baby hairs, but these are my naturally grown baby hairs, and I think it's cool how they don't grow past a certain length, and I would not do that. But if I feel like maybe if they were like way longer, I probably would. Yeah. So Xtina Lucia said just use water and a tease brush. I do not have a tease brush, but I'm gonna use a toothbrush. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna use water. Joanna Jimenez, sorry if I'm butchering your name. I have a similar issue. You have two issues. First is your baby hair is very long. Also, your hairline is round and not the typical boxy. If you find out how to overcome, let me know. So you're right, it's not, it's kind of like an oval at the top. It's not the typical box. I did notice that. In Lania Fonte's Set Plus, you're not supposed to pull them out all at once, just little by little, as I'm going to do that in this video. And Janae Banks said I use a toothbrush, but I don't put any products on my baby hair. I dampen the toothbrush, then in the direction I want them to go. Dampen the toothbrush. Yeah. And then I'm going to apply product to the toothbrush, alright? Alright, and then on my dry baby hairs, I'm going to, oh my goodness, I have no way, okay? I want to like the swoop, and then another swoop. Oh, we're doing something. Alright, so let's do this again. So I'm gonna swoop, right? So like that, right? And then I'm gonna pull it out again to do another swoop, right? Did I look better? Yeah, I think this works better. I'm gonna wet the brush again, get more product, and go to the other side. But you know what, first I'm gonna do the top, which whatever I'm working with now, I'm gonna swoop this way, like this. Is this, you know what, I think I'm doing much better in this video, and I think the texture of the second touchdown was much more smoother and not as thick as the first touchdown. So this is the other side. So swoop, right, and then swoop. Oh my goodness, this is much easier. I want this to go inside. I think I have to do this with something harder as far as the in goes. Why isn't this going in? Okay. So I am realizing my hair cannot do anything with anything harder. So how does this look? No, I see hairs. Hold on. Uh-oh. So I have hairs in the back. But my swoop right here is not going in all the way. Okay. Alright, and then another swoop. How does this look, guys? I know you guys are probably... I did better. Like, I feel like it looks better than last time. Put more product. Wet. And I'm gonna brush right there this way so it can all go in that direction. This brush feels so tiny in my hands. Usually don't use. Ooh. Better. Like, how does this look? Does it look better than the last video? I did realize I do not need a very thick edge tamer, so the second touchdown was actually much better, and the scent just killed it. The scent's amazing. The coconut one's my favorite, and I think I did better. It's like the rest of the long wavy hairs, I just brushed it back, but for the beginnings, which is what I had problems with, the only problem I do have a problem with putting that part inside. I don't know how to do that, but does it look bad? Better, right? So what did I learn? I learned that I needed something that was not as thick, much thinner in texture. When it comes to edge tamer, I did prefer to use a small brush. Better. I feel like I needed something harder to put the other part. See, I should have thought about this side. Adding the toothbrush and putting the product on the toothbrush worked better. So thank you for whoever said that. Thank you. And yeah, I think I did a much better job. The second touchdown was better than the first touchdown. So check the products down below if you're looking for edge tamer, okay? And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching me doing my edges once again. And don't forget thumbs up. Bye, guys. Mwah. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you, guys.